Hello and welcome to another update video about Sand. The Sandbox is doing really well. Just a quick update to my video from yesterday where we were just breaking here this trend line, and I said I would love to see what does the 4-hour chart do now with the 4-hour candle. That is very important to see. That is not just a fake out, and what we saw was a successful retest. That's exactly what you want to see. Also, if you want to go in for a short-term long position, maybe if you have a successful retest, you can see how that was that trend line here, that descending trend line that has been coming down here, how that retest was successful. And yeah, from there we then logically started to move up after a successful retest with my then I gave you the next level to watch out for, which is the 20-day moving average, where we just seem to go through straight away. I did expect here some more resistance. It just seems to go through. We're just doing that at the moment, and this level here is at pretty much $4.02. Now it's just moving through. Now, two things I think are accelerating this temporary uptrend here for the Sandbox, and I would still expect primarily another drop down together with Bitcoin. But the thing is, you never really know. That is what I expect because of Bitcoin is going to drop another, I think once more. I think it will, based on the Bitcoin Elliott waves and wave count, and I don't think that the Sandbox can really get out of this without any setbacks. But we talked about that this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move was possibly finished. It did hold above the 200-day line, now breaking the downtrend to the upside, now even breaking the 20-day moving average. And as we speak, it's just continuing to go up, quite impressive. And I think what's related to that is the fact that they are working together with Warner Music World now on a music metaverse, and that they are launching another 50 million development fund. Now it's a bit, be careful at the moment because we are on the 4-hour chart overboard. We are on the 1-hour chart now overboard. And as I said, if we hit the 20-day moving average, we are going to be overboard on the daily, on the 1-hour and the 4-hour chart. On the daily, we're not yet overboard. So there is certainly more opportunity, but we're just approaching the 50 line. So there could be some resistance here coming, because the 50 line on the daily sometimes acts as resistance and support, as you can see it here on the chart, just making a positive cross on the MACD, a bullish cross, which is generally a buy signal as well. But really that buy signal started already when it was turning around here. So it's moving up quite strongly, to be fair, and it could have completed already its correction. Now in the More Crypto Online community, we are prepared both ways because some of the buy orders triggered in this region here, and therefore any move up would be appreciated anyway. But also, as I say, someone who's dollar cost averaging in at these levels need to be prepared for possibly another dip. It's often what happens when you get too bullish about something, then it drops again. And with Bitcoin, I would expect another drop, but I also expect some shorter term upside for Bitcoin before the drop happens. That could push Sand actually even a little bit higher. Yeah. So I think it's always important to be prepared for anything both ways. But yeah, the message here is it could really go up higher now. I mean, I think the 1 hour, the 4 hour RSI need to recover a little bit. So maybe not too much at the moment. I think it might need to bring those short term indicators down a little bit. But what is important is the 1 hour here, the 20-day moving average. If that we are moving above it, as you can see here now, we're currently moving above it. And if we get a retest, which we might do because there was a bit of fighting around it here, then it could move up. And the next target would be, I think, here at 445. Yeah, that's the previous high here. I think that's where we can expect some, or even the wave low, no, the wave 3 low. So 422, I think I would say, is one of the next resistance levels. Then you can certainly expect here the next fib level, which is 455, and then the 50-day moving average at 487. So just really wanted to update you here. Looking not too bad, and it's moving here just through the 20-day moving average without even stopping. So really interesting. There was a bit of fighting, as I said, around the 20-day, but the bulls seemed to win. And yeah, overall, the potential for the Sandbox is great. Talked about it in my top 10 cryptos for 2022 video. And I think having one metaverse crypto in the portfolio is very well worth having. All right, hopefully you liked the update about the Sandbox. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.